What is up, guys? Pup T from Life, Liberty, and the Homestead. And as you can see, I'm back out in the woods today. My plan is I'm trying to get onto the backside of my property with the tractor. So me and the wild one were out here and we found a path, hopefully. So I'm gonna clear out some more timber and see if I can't make it over there. So let's get this video started, baby. Woo! So this area right here, this leads up to where I have a tree stand. So I need to clear out this area and make it to where on this side I can drive up this slight incline. So hopefully with that slight incline I'll be able to take the tractor up there, and then I'm gonna have to find another path to get to the other side of the property. So my property is well split in hills and valleys, and a lot of the hills have very steep inclines, which make it hard to take, you know, the Kubota BX23S up it. So with the four-wheeler being out of commission, I still got to fix that. I got to try to find other ways to get to certain spots on the property. So I'm going to get to clearing this and then going up that hill, and then we'll see if I can get up with the Kubota, baby. Wish me luck. So I don't know how much you've seen of me going up the hill, or attempting actually to go up the hill, but it's not going to work. And it's not going to work because I have that brush cutter on the back. If I didn't have the brush cutter on the back, I just have my box blade, I could probably make it up there with little to no trouble, but I'm not going to switch that out right now. Because with all the rain and everything, I'm going to have to mow the grass beginning of next week. So I'm just going to go up there old school style, carrying a can of gas, carrying the weed eater, taking y'all with me. And we'll get up there, clear that stuff out, and see how far we go further into the woods and further into the property. So let's get to it, baby. Let's do it. So here I am on the top side of that hill. I was trying to come up on the tractor, but if you look right there, there's a tree stand that I have right there. Usually this area the grass isn't as high as it is, and it's mainly because, you know, I'll run my four-wheeler through here, you know, quite a bit throughout the year, so it keeps all the brush down. However, when it got wrecked, I haven't fixed it up yet, so I haven't been back out here. So I need to go through here, hit some trees, take them down. I'm hoping I could get up here with the Kubota somehow. I just got to find the route up here, get up here with the Kubota and be able to mow this down, and then I can actually plant a food plot in this area right here. So we shall see, but I'm gonna get to cutting, baby. Oh, come on. today's main goal is, while I'm clearing up the timber, is to make a path so that we can take the Kubota or even walk a particular path right down to one of the tree stands. And then hopefully sometime this month or before deer season, I'm hoping I can get a spot cleared up. What I was trying to do yesterday, get up that hill. But it's supposed to rain today, starting at 11 o'clock, so we got a few hours to get in here, get some work done, and then probably go inside for the afternoon. And then maybe maybe later in the afternoon, it'll be all done raining. We can get to some more stuff. So who knows? We'll see. You guys fell over. Stay with me, buddy. All right. So the old BX23 Sierra baby got at it. So let me show you what we've cleared. So right here, there's a fence line, right? Where I'm standing right now used to be all wait a minute vines and all that stuff. So use the brush hog, got in here. Same thing for all this area right here. So all this was wait a minute vines, similar to what you see right over here. And I know it's a job that'll have to be done several times a year if I really want to keep up with it. But I'll see how the timber starts to react with some of the clearing of the small saplings, and then some of this wait a minute vines that choke out any trees that are trying to grow. So, and I also did up top. You guys saw that. I had to use the old chainsaw on a couple spots, but you know, it is what it is. So it's almost lunchtime, so I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then maybe we'll come back out here later this afternoon. What do you say? Maybe. Who knows?